If you're looking for a smarter way to predict travel costs and make more informed decisions, leveraging Navan's AI for travel cost predictions is a game changer. Stay tuned, because in the next few minutes, I'll show you how to unlock this powerful tool and maximize your travel budget with ease. Navan's AI is designed to streamline the process of predicting and managing travel costs, so you can make smarter decisions when planning your next trip. Whether you're a business traveler or planning a family vacation, Navan's AI can give you a clear understanding of what to expect in terms of costs before you even book your flights, hotels, or car rentals. The beauty of Navan's AI is in its predictive capabilities. Using historical data, real-time insights, and a wealth of other factors, the software forecasts potential price changes based on trends, demand, and market conditions. This means that instead of relying on gut feelings or old pricing patterns, you get access to a real-time prediction engine that takes all the guesswork out of travel planning. By leveraging this AI technology, you can start identifying the best times to book, what routes offer the best value, and how much you can expect to pay for each leg of your trip. Imagine knowing exactly when to book flights, hotels, or rental cars for the most competitive prices, all thanks to Navan's AI. A huge benefit is how user-friendly it is. Once you're set up, you can input your trip details, and Navan's AI will immediately give you tailored recommendations. This means you'll get personalized insights into your travel costs, no matter where you're heading or when you plan to leave. It's like having a personal travel assistant with a crystal ball into future prices. This powerful AI doesn't stop at simple predictions. It also provides actionable advice on how to make adjustments that can save you more money. By analyzing your preferences and goals, Navan's AI can suggest optimal travel routes, suggest more affordable travel dates, or recommend cost-effective options that you might not have considered. If you're someone who travels frequently for business, Navan's AI is also incredibly useful for corporate travel managers. It helps keep track of expenses, monitors pricing trends, and offers valuable insights to stay within budget without sacrificing quality. This can be a huge time saver for any company looking to streamline its travel management process. Now, here's a little secret. If you want to test out Navan's AI and start experiencing these benefits right now, you can use it completely free. Just click the first link in the description below and you'll get an exclusive extended free trial that you won't find anywhere else. In conclusion, leveraging Navan's AI for travel cost predictions isn't just a nice luxury. It's a necessity for anyone looking to stay on top of their travel budget. By predicting costs accurately and offering actionable insights, you can travel smarter, save more, and ensure your trips are as affordable as possible. And remember, that exclusive free trial I mentioned? It's yours by using the link below. Don't wait. Start making the most of your travel budget today with Navan's AI.